Hey, I was just checking in on the social media strategy workshop that we've got going on in October. I was checking out the registrants, and we've booked about a little more than half the seats, so a really good response for just a couple days worth of promotion. Just want to share with you the types of people and organizations that are coming so that you understand the type of audience and maybe even some of the questions that'll be happening. Now remember, the content for this workshop is going to be really customized to who's in the room, the types of goals and questions that you guys have. I'm going to really spend some time putting that together after talking to you. But if I look at the list here, I've got a medical practice, I've got a town, I've got a nonprofit that works with kids, I've got an engineering firm, I've got a forestry company, I've got a kitchen design firm, I've got a restaurant, looks like I've got a couple more nonprofits, one in the entertainment and one in community service, and I've got a small business that is downtown. So I'm really kind of excited about the variety that I've got going on here, but I also know because of what we've done in the past that a lot of the questions, goals, and concerns are going to be fairly consistent. So a lot of these folks may be coming at it from a different angle, but I know that the intent and what they're looking to do will be valuable to everybody in the room. So listen, only a few seats there, less than half the seats left for the workshop. Take a look at it. I'll put a link below. Let me know if you have any questions, but looking forward to seeing you. And I know this is going to be fun, off the cuff, and a tremendous value for those that participate.